Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi 14 Ultra and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find additional settings. Then let's tap on date and time, which is at the top of the list. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive, which means that we cannot manually change them. It is because we are using automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, we have to turn off all of those switchers to be sure that our options, our settings won't be biased. So let's simply tap on date right now. As you can see, those options are active, and just by swiping we can change the date, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just swipe it and tap on OK. Here we've got also the time zone, so tap on it, tap on the region, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available regions from which we can choose. So find yours and tap on it, for example this one. As you can see, it will be immediately applied, and of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. There we've got also the time format, so we can decide which one we want to apply. Right now we've got this automatic one, which is based on the system language, but of course we can change it manually to 12-hour or 24-hour format. Just tap on the option you want to use. What is more, we've got the dual clock option. You can turn it on and off just by using the switcher, and basically the whole idea of this feature is that your device will apply a second clock. The first one will show you the time from the place of your current residence, and the second clock will show you the information about the time in any other place in the world of your choice. So that's pretty cool. It's up to you, of course, if you want to use it or not. So that was the manual customization of date and time, and of course you can go back to all previous settings, so the automatic options, just by tapping on those 3 switchers. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.